In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add EMA in TradingView. By the end, you'll have one or more exponential moving averages added to your TradingView chart, with the length, color, thickness, and time frame set the way you want. First, open Indicators. Move to the top of your TradingView chart and click the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it may appear as the word Indicators or as the FX icon. This opens the Indicators and Strategies panel over your chart. Next, search EMA. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type EMA. In the results, click Moving Average Exponential. This is TradingView's built-in EMA indicator. Now add it to the chart. Clicking Moving Average Exponential once adds a default 9-period EMA to your chart. You'll see a line appear over the price, and then the indicator's name shows in the chart legend or on the left side panel. If you want multiple EMAs for different periods, click Moving Average Exponential again for each one you need. For example, click it once for a 50 EMA, again for a 100 EMA, and again for a 200 EMA. Each click adds another EMA line, which you'll customize next. Customize the settings for each EMA. Start with the length. On the chart, hover over the EMA's name in the legend and click the gear icon to open settings. Go to the Inputs tab. In the length field, type the period you want, such as 20, 50, or 200, then press Enter. The line will immediately update to reflect the new period. If you have multiple EMAs, repeat this on each one, so every EMA has the exact length you intend. While you're in Settings, adjust the style for better visibility. Click the Style tab. Choose a distinct color for each EMA so they're easy to tell apart at a glance. Increase the line thickness if the default is too thin for your background, and pick a line style that fits your charting preference. As you make changes, look at the chart to confirm the lines are clearly visible and not blending into your candles or background. When the line looks right, keep the window open if you want to configure more EMAs or close it to return to the chart. Adjust the time frame if you want an EMA locked to a specific resolution. Open the settings for that EMA again, and in the Settings panel, choose the option to set a specific time frame. Change it from Same as Chart to the time frame you want. For example, set a 200 EMA to daily so it always reflects daily data, even if you're viewing a 15-minute chart. Well, this is helpful when you want higher time frame context on lower time frame views. After selecting the time frame, confirm the change and watch the line update. If you lock an EMA to a different time frame, remember that it won't recalculate with your chart's current interval. It will always follow the time frame you selected, which is exactly what you want for consistent reference levels. At this point, your EMAs are added and configured. You open the Indicators panel, search for EMA, added the Moving Average Exponential to the chart, customized each EMA's length and style for clarity, and optionally locked specific EMAs to a chosen time frame. Your setup is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.